Well, pardon the mess, but I figured it's time for an informative video here. An info video. Because I looked all over YouTube, and there's no video on how to rig up your own auxiliary input to an older Alpine. Now this model here is a 7873 CDA-7873, but there's I think 4 models similar to this one. And pretty much whenever you look it up online, I mean, you could just Google it, and they try to sell you an adapter cord for your iPod or for an auxiliary, and that adapter cord plugs into this AINet cord, which is for your CD changer or Sirius satellite radio normally. Or if you get the other adapters, it's just an auxiliary. But, I mean, obviously I'm not going to buy a cord. I don't buy any cords. I make all my stuff. So, basically, did what I do with all female adapters and grabbed the safety pins, and I didn't just have to stick them in random holes, because out of the 6, well actually it's 8 pins because there's 2 in the middle. Yeah, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. See if we can get a view in here. Kinda cattywampus there. But yeah, it's got 3 holes on the top, 3 on the bottom, and 2 big ones in the middle. And while searching online, Google Images came up with a diagram that had all the pins labeled. And the top 3 ones are what you need for auxiliary. Your center is your ground, and your left one's your left speaker, your right one's your right speaker, and then the one in the top center is your ground. And well, in order to test it out, of course I had to turn on my auxiliary function, because whenever you first plug in or first hook up one of these CD players, the auxiliary is automatically set to off. So in order to do that, let's just put it on something else here. You press and hold your setup button. Alright, well, it's on setup. Okay, yeah. It's out of the way some. And it'll come up, you got all these settings, demo. You got normally it'll say norm or hi-fi. On this CD player, you use the play pause button up here. Sound quality. Dim. Your subwoofer, your beep. Got the beep off. Mute. Scroll. And auxiliary. It's factory defaults off. So you want to turn your auxiliary on. Your next setting lets you name it. But, TV, VCR, game. I'll just leave it on auxiliary. Hit your setup again to get out of there. And then you just use your source button, mode or source. I take you to your disk. What we got in here? Some Tech 9. Right maker, yeah. And we got auxiliary. Now, I didn't have anything convenient to plug in to test for auxiliary, and the auxiliary port on my phone is junk. So I grabbed my go-to device, which is my guitar, because I play my guitar through everything. It's an obsession. I've played it through every car stereo, in my car and out of my car. I've played it through my home stereo. I've played it through the TV, plugged it into the Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, the Bluetooth speaker actually makes a nice distortion pedal, which is another video I'm going to make on how to make a distortion pedal out of a Bluetooth speaker. But, yeah, I grabbed my guitar, wired the left and right speaker outputs together. Yeah, the left and right's together, and then the ground. So I turned it from, 3-wire to 2-wire. And plugged in my handy-dandy trusty safety pins. And, wouldn't you know it, we got sound. So that's all you need to do. Just as long as you set it on auxiliary, it automatically kicks it on. And you get some sound. And before I end the video, hi folks, it's the Rockin' Hawkins. Before I end the video, I might as well play a little lick, you know, just because. That sounds pretty good on my end. There we go. Turn the damn distortion down some. That sounds terrible. That sounds terrible. Yeah. But you get the point. Yeah, I should have stopped while I was ahead. We'll end it with a little shred. There we go. That wasn't very good. I don't know. Yeah, I definitely should have quit while I was ahead. There you go.